Cutters, welcome back to my channel. So y'all, it's been a minute since I came and did a hair video, any type of video, my motivational videos. Y'all, I am so sorry. Like, I'm just gonna be real with y'all. A lot of stuff has been going on this year, stuff that I feel like I wish was better, but I know next year is going to be full of blessings, full of abundance, full of everything that I imagine it to be. And y'all, I just, sometimes the devil can throw you off track, but the Lord gonna get you back on track. So yeah, I don't want to keep rambling, but I want to dive and hop right into this video. And yeah, so pretty much I'm going to show you all this color combo that I had seen on YouTube. And I thought the color combo was so pretty due to the fact I feel like it's for brown skin girls, dark skin girls. I love the color gold on my skin. So, and my hair is already kind of like a number 27, so it's like a honey blonde type color. So I kind of want to keep it in that feel. And so yeah, y'all, so pretty much the hair that I'm going to be using today for my flip over braids is going to be the number 30, and I am using Ultra Expression hair. Personally I like Ultra Expression hair. For some people with synthetic hair, if you are allergic, I advise you to cleanse it first with apple cider vinegar, let it sit for a little while. But for any particular reason, the expression hair doesn't really bother me, but for some of my clients I do have to dip it in apple cider vinegar before I install it or put the braids in their head. So yeah, so number 30 is one of the colors that I will be using. Another color that I'm going to use is the number 27, which is kind of like closer to my hair color that when I had bleached my hair. So we're going to be using the number 27. I also wanted to use the number 33. It's like a kind of reddish brown, but it's like a deeper, like a chocolate type color for me. So we're going to use the 33. And also we're going to be using the 613. And I like to put a little highlight in it, so 613 is definitely going to give it some lightness to the browns, like a ashy type, blonde type feel, just a little bit. And so for the boho pieces, I actually picked this up in the store. It is from Sensational, and it is the number 30, and it's the water wave bulk, and it is a 18-inch. So I feel like me mixing this color combo together, it's kind of gonna give like a warm brown tone, golden tone. So I decided to get some boho pieces that are a number 30 to kind of complement the braids when it is mixed together. And for the surprise for this particular flip over method, I am going to add some tinsels, y'all. Yes, tinsels, hair tinsels. You can get this on Amazon. I'm definitely gonna put everything in the description below, in the description below, so y'all know where to get this hair from, where to order it, and even the tinsels you can order. I got different colors, but I was sticking to more the brown tones, so I wanted to go for like a more golden type feel. This is like a brighter gold, but this one is a darker type of brownish gold. So yeah, I'm probably going to use a little mixture of both of them, but I'm really going to go with the darker gold for this hairstyle so it can give like a little glamorous feel to it. I actually seen this color combo on one of the pages when I was looking for the particular color that I was going for. And I'm going to link her stuff in the description below too. But I'm definitely going to mix this together. I'm going to show y'all how I mixed it. I'm going to show you how I install it. And I'm going to show y'all the end result. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If y'all want to see more hair videos like this, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up and comment below if you like this hairstyle. And yeah, let's get right into this video. So pretty much I am going to show you all the 4 colors that I took earlier, and I am going to put them right on top of one another, and then I'm gradually going to end up separating them all together so I can get a nice blend. And then I'm going to take it and separate it into 2 to get it a little bit smaller and continue to separate what I'm doing so I can have a more control of what I'm separating. So then after I do that, I give myself a head count of how many times I want to separate it. And then just to make sure that it doesn't become too much for me, I take a denim brush and then I gradually brush the hair so that it can stay nice and neat. And then I continue to separate. I'm then going to add tinsels inside of the hair and separate it some more. So that way everything is blended, it's nice. So I don't want to do too much talking, but I just want to show you what I'm doing and how to do it so that you can do it yourself properly.
Can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, oh yeah. I can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, Lord have me, oh yeah. I'm sorry I couldn't decide, yes this life is for two. You know I'm down for the ride, and I'm sliding with you. Can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, oh yeah. Hey, I'm tryna get out of the way, play the background like I'm cray. Mean what I say, you been my doctor, no Dre. You been right by my side as I walk through the day. Hey, back in the air like I'm Trey, free as a bird when I'm seeking your face. Hey, I'm thankful I'm hearing your presence, I'm feeling your essence, I'm walking in grace. Hey, forgive me whenever I flake. Jesus, he woke up real early. I can rest on the Father, he's sturdy. For real, I was the table, he turned me. I felt a rush in the spirit, I broke through the line, I feel like Ty Gurley. Yeah, ain't no other spirits living in this temple, boy, I'm feeling like Shirley. I gotta be who I gotta be, made to be salt of the world, so I let him keep shaking me. I had no drip in my life, so he flavored me. I'm putting on for the one that's remaking me. Look at the stronghold and say you ain't breaking me. Swiping or swiping, the darkness ain't taking me. Was feeling painfully, now I'm here thankfully. Praise to the Father, I'm grateful he stayed with me. Can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, oh yeah. I can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, Lord have me, oh yeah. I'm sorry I couldn't decide, yes this life is for two. You know I'm down for the ride, and I'm sliding with you. Can't stay away, can't break away, cause you right here, have me, oh yeah. This is a brand new beginning. We was down till he broke through the ceiling. Now we're standing on top of the building. Like Pippin, we needed a raise. 33 when he hopped out the grave. All praise to the Lamb who was slain.
Change. Ever since you came in, I know you waited. Said that you was still the perfect one. I know you tied up, let me get fired up. I got a drip like it's Dolce Gabbana. Look at me, different designer. Talking, I don't need to talk to. Looking for God, cause I'm looking for doctor. You looking for bread and I'm looking to prosper. Ain't it a shock? I'm looking to win and I'm looking to conquer. Yeah, I'm living my faith and it's making me stronger.
Okay, y'all, so I already did half this side of my head, and I kind of like, I'm gonna show y'all because I'm gonna do the same to the other side. So I kind of did a braid here, try to do some triangles part here, did a crisscross part here, did like 5 triangle parts here, and now I'm in the middle, and I am pretty much gonna cross this braid and go over on this side so it can have like a crisscross effect. And then this side, I'm gonna do the same exact thing to that side. So y'all, yeah, so pretty much, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, it's like real late, but I had like a hair appointment earlier today. I had to do a retwist, so that's why I am up late trying to finish my hair. And I know I started yesterday, but y'all, it was like a whole process. I'm not even gonna hold y'all.
Ain't it a shock? I'm looking to win and I'm looking to conquer. Yeah, I'm living my faith and it's making me stronger. I heard this like cause I know that I'm different. Walking with God, I'm fulfilling the mission. They want me, I ain't wasting a minute. Every day changing the way that I'm living. Jesus, I see that you putting me on. And you changing my mind and it's all on my dome. Live on the praise like we on the phone. Can you give me vision? I need it the most. I I ain't tripping off Dolce Gabbana. I just look to the Heavenly Father. When I'm praying, I'm calling him Papa. I ain't worried about counting them commas. I ain't tripping me Casa su casa. I be spitting that heat like it's lava. We be in it like Bonnie and Clyde. I'ma sing on the beat like Madonna. God, I know it's you and me. You ain't passing over. I don't have to make a scene when I'm with the owner. Never tried to deceive, but he never noticed that you had a plan for me. What you think about love? God got what you need. Go to the king and get what you want. They supply all your needs. I got a drip like it's Dolce Gabbana. Look at me different designer. Talking, I don't need a doctor. Looking for God cause I'm looking for doctor. You looking for bread and I'm looking to prosper. Ain't it a shock? I'm looking to win and I'm looking to conquer. Yeah, I'm living my faith and it's making me stronger. I got a drip like it's Dolce Gabbana. Look at me different designer. Talking, I don't need a doctor. Looking for God cause I'm looking for doctor. You looking for bread and I'm looking to prosper. Ain't it a shock? I'm looking to win and I'm looking to conquer. Yeah, I'm living my faith and it's making me stronger.
Alpha Omega, my maker, almighty one. I just don't have enough words to give you the praise you deserve. It's about that time I take a deep dive and I go all in. Faith like I'm walking on water, I better not fall in. Yeah, I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. Yeah. Set apart, covered and blessed. I serve God and say it with my chest. Wake up thankful for his patience, grace and salvation. So nobody bothering me. No weapons formed against me shall prosper. I'm covered in God's armor. Yeah, if you say go, then I'll go. Lord, I only answer to you. So I'ma keep my eyes on you. Seek you like I'm supposed to do. Your love is easy like it's 1 + 2. No more burdens cause I trust in you. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. You are all I need. And I give you all of me. You come first, more of you, less of me. I'm moving like Matthew 6:33. If you say go, then I'll go. 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 Lord, I only answer to you.
Got me in the mood to give you my devotion. Hold me in your arms and save the words for later. Got me in the mood to give you my devotion. Hold me in your arms and save the words for later. Call me your own, it's crazy. I've been waiting. Call me like your lately. I've been gaining. Call me your own, it's crazy. I've been waiting. Call me like yo, lately. I've been gaining, yeah.
Hey trendsetters, trendsetters. So this is the final look of my hairstyle. I absolutely love it. And this is the back. The back is backing. But I also did the middle crisscross like this because I kind of wanted to match the sides over here. I was gonna do the diagonal, y'all, but for some reason I feel like my head is little. I don't know, maybe I should have made the braids smaller, but yeah, but I ended up doing a crisscross effect, so ended up working out anyway. And this is the final result of the braids. This boho hair, I like it. You know, I've just been putting mousse on it to keep it moisturized and to keep it soft and to keep it flowing. So if it tangles up, I'll definitely let y'all know, because this is my first time using that type of boho hair. But if you got human hair, I recommend that because it lasts longer. And I did not dip my braids in water because I did not know how it would turn out after I dipped it. So I just kind of moussed it and moisturized my hair for real. And y'all, I'm just loving how it turned out. If y'all like this hairstyle, make sure y'all give me a thumbs up on this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. And y'all, I'm gonna have more hairstyles for y'all coming soon. And also y'all, in the total, it took me maybe 2 days to do this hairstyle, y'all. So I had to wash, I had to prep, and I could have been finished earlier because I finished this hairstyle like 1 o'clock in the morning. I had a client yesterday, so I kind of had to stop in between and do her hair, then come back and do my hair. But other than that, this hairstyle I definitely like. I'm probably gonna rock this for a little while because it took me a while to put this in. So yeah, trendsetters, I hope to see y'all soon, and I love y'all, and y'all just stay tuned for what's more to come for the new year.
Yeah.